Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on the mic on VRChat. So if you want to turn on your mic on VRChat, then you have to simply click on the ESC button on your keyboard. Then from here you have to simply click on the this voice or the sound button here, where you can find all of your audio volume. Make sure that all of this volume is perfect, or you can simply go with the reset button here. Now from here, if you see this frequency dance on this bar, that means that your mic is okay and open and working perfectly. So you can simply find this microphone behavior. You can pause to talk, so for that you can simply set it to always on, so it will always on your voice chat, so other players will can listen your voice through this mic. For example, if I just keep quiet, if I like simply click on it, and there's another thing like change device. If you can see, there's nothing if your device is connected but the microphone is not working, then you can change the device from here. So like this, you can change the device from the actual mic from here, then you can use that mic from here. So I'm going to see hello. Here you can see, if I talk, then this mouth icon will be increased and highlighted. If I keep quiet, then it will just fade. It will just zoom out and close that highlight here. So that's means if I talk to here, then it is actually appearing like this one here, appearing highlighted. So that's mean, yeah, I'm not just talking, or it is actually counting my voices. So that's how you can actually turn on your mic on VRChats. So I hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.